In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best data entry jobs that you can do online. So for this, you are going to work with Upwork, and what you want to do is you want to search for data entry jobs, Upwork, type it in like this, and then the first thing that comes up is this, upwork.com data entry jobs. You want to hit this, and as you can see here, you can get started and browse for 4,000 remote data entry jobs with Upwork. You can get started. Now you have to create an account, and I'm going to create an account right now. Then you want to make your account and set work as a freelancer, then hit a yes over here, then hit create my account, and now it's going to create your account and you can go to Upwork. As you can see, now it's going to redirect you, and now you can go to Upwork. Now you can hit continue because you want to work as a freelancer. And then you can hit fill out manually what you want to do. So basically fill in all this information, and then you can find simple data entry jobs that you can easily do online. When you entered in all the details, you can hit submit profile, and then you can submit to Upwork. As you can see, now you can find work to do, and as you can see, it's under review, but now you can find work. So find work over here, and then you can apply for a job, get easy task, and get paid per hour. If this video helped you out to get an easy job, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.